Hi, I'm Willie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. And what we're going to look at in this video is how to install a hard drive in your UNAS. So you can see up there, there's a gaping open spot in my UNAS. And I actually have 5 of those, which I'm going to fill. But first, I wanted to show you how to install a drive in the drive cage, because it's pretty easy, and I just want you to know how to do it, right? So if you actually look at the drive tray, you can see there are instructions for a 2.5-inch drive and a 3.5-inch drive, and I am using all 3.5-inch drives. Now I'm going to have mixed drive. I'm going to have some 4 terabyte Western Digitals, and I'm going to have some 4 terabyte Seagates. Now, as long as the NAS uses the room or the storage that it needs to appropriately, that shouldn't really matter. Now, on the inside of the drive caddy, that's what this is a drive caddy. If I can get this to focus, you can see where it says that you just put the drive in at an angle and then push it down. To get the drive out on the side, there's this little bar that says pull. And so if you wanted to take the drive out, you would actually pull that, and it releases these metal clamps that are on the inside that are sitting inside of the holes on the hard drive. Now, when you mount this, you want to make sure that your SATA connectors are facing the bottom, and it tells you right there in that the hard drive connector should be right there. So how difficult is this? It's not really difficult at all. So I'm going to show you. So you're going to take the drive, try to see what we can do here, and you're going to put it in at an angle, and then you're just going to push down, and now your drive is mounted. So I'm going to do the rest of these, and I'm going to throw them in the NAS, but that's it. Don't be afraid. You're not going to break it. Everything here is pretty easy to do, pretty easy. The other thing that you can do is on those instructions, let me see, well, there it is. So they do provide screws, so to secure the drive into the caddy so that it couldn't accidentally come out, you can put a screw right in here. I do recommend doing that. So I'm going to get the rest of these mounted, get them in there, and then we're going to create some more storage in a different array. So come back for that. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, follow me on Twitter and TikTok. Those links are down below, along with affiliate links, a Patreon link. And if you need IT consulting, if you need your NAS set up, no matter who the manufacturer is, if you need your network redone or inspected, or you need help, or you need voice over IP and security, all those things, head on over to williehow.com, fill out the contact form that's on the front page, and someone will be in touch with you as soon as possible. If you'd like to talk about technology in general or the UNAS, head on over to community.williehow.com, sign up, and join the conversation. Once again, I'm Willie. I want to thank you for being here, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.